Just as mechanical keyboards are loved by typists and gamers for their precision and tactile feel, pressure washer surface cleaners have become essential for homeowners and professionals who value efficiency and performance. These attachments transform a standard pressure washer into a powerful cleaning machine.
List number 1. Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The Westinghouse Universal 16.5-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is a top-tier tool built for fast, streak-free cleaning. Its 16.5-inch cleaning path makes it ideal for driveways, patios, and decks, cutting cleaning time significantly compared to standard wands. Equipped with dual high-pressure spinning nozzles, it delivers even water distribution for a consistent, spotless finish. The heavy-duty housing prevents overspray, keeping you and surrounding areas clean. Compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers up to 3,600 psi, this model provides both versatility and professional-grade results. One standout feature is the integrated handle grip, which gives excellent control during operation. The durable build, including stainless steel components, ensures long-term performance without rust or leaks. Users love how effortlessly it glides over large surfaces, saving both time and effort. For anyone seeking a balance of power, precision, and ease of use, the Westinghouse 16.5-inch cleaner stands out as one of the most capable options in its class.
Number 2. Jan's 14-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner with 4 wheels. The Jan's 14-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is designed for efficiency and convenience, featuring 4 sturdy wheels for easy maneuvering on various surfaces. Its dual high-pressure jets deliver powerful, uniform cleaning while minimizing streaks and splashback. Constructed with stainless steel nozzles and a strong housing, it's built to withstand tough outdoor cleaning tasks. The 1/4-inch Quick Connect fitting allows seamless attachment to most pressure washer wands, supporting up to 4,000 psi, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial use. What sets this model apart is its 4-wheel system and dual handle design, allowing smooth, stable operation even on uneven terrain. It's particularly effective for cleaning driveways, sidewalks, garage floors, and decks, cutting cleaning time by more than half compared to traditional methods. The built-in splash skirt prevents debris from flying around, while the universal compatibility ensures it works with most brands. If you want a reliable, maneuverable, and efficient cleaner, the Jan's 14-inch delivers impressive performance for its size and price point.
List number 3. Westinghouse Universal 15-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner Attachment. The Westinghouse Universal 15-inch Surface Cleaner Attachment combines performance and compactness in a sleek, highly efficient design. Its 15-inch cleaning path is perfect for homeowners looking to tackle mid-sized areas like patios, decks, and walkways. This model features dual rotating nozzles that produce consistent water pressure for even cleaning. The heavy-duty composite construction provides durability without adding excessive weight, allowing for longer cleaning sessions with less fatigue. It supports up to 3,600 psi and connects easily to most pressure washer wands with a standard Quick Connect fitting. Users praise the balanced pressure distribution, which minimizes streaks and eliminates uneven cleaning lines. Its lightweight frame and ergonomic handle make it easy to control, even for first-time users. The Westinghouse 15-inch cleaner is ideal for anyone wanting professional results without a bulky or industrial-sized tool. It's the perfect middle ground between power and practicality.
List number 4. 14-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner with 4 wheels. The 14-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner with 4 wheels is an excellent budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Designed with dual spinning jets, it ensures fast, streak-free cleaning over patios, sidewalks, and decks. Its 4-wheel design enhances mobility, reducing arm fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The Quick Connect system allows easy setup, compatible with most pressure washers rated up to 4,000 psi. The stainless steel nozzles and robust housing make it both durable and reliable, capable of handling high water pressure without wear or leaks.
This cleaner's splash-free skirt prevents water from spraying outward, keeping surrounding areas clean and dry. Its compact 14-inch size makes it highly maneuverable, ideal for tight corners and smaller spaces where larger models can't reach. Users particularly appreciate its balance of power and affordability, making it one of the best value options on the market. It's a practical choice for homeowners who want professional-level results at a fraction of the cost.
List number 5. Westinghouse PWS C12 12-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. The Westinghouse PWS C12 12-inch surface cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool that's perfect for small to medium outdoor areas. Despite its smaller footprint, it offers strong cleaning performance with dual rotating jets that provide even water distribution for spotless results. Built with durable composite materials, it's lightweight and resistant to impact, making it easy to maneuver and store. The 12-inch cleaning diameter makes it an excellent option for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways without excessive water use. Its universal quick connect system ensures compatibility with most pressure washers up to 3,200 psi, giving you flexibility across different machines. The splash guard skirt keeps the water contained, reducing mess and improving efficiency. Writers and homeowners alike praise this model for its quiet operation, compact storage size, and strong value. If you need a reliable, portable surface cleaner that delivers consistent performance, the PWS C12 is a solid pick from a trusted brand.